स्वागत है प्यारे बच्चों आपका। और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं बेंजीन रिंग रिएक्शन के बारे में। बेंजीन रिंग रिएक्शंस के बारे में हम बात करेंगे। इससे पिछले टॉपिक्स जो हमने स्टडी किए थे, फिनोलिक OH ग्रुप रिएक्शंस, फिनोलिक OH ग्रुप रिएक्शंस में एसिडिक कैरेक्टर रिएक्शन विद जिंक, रिएक्शन विद एमोनिया एंड एस्ट्रिफिकेशन एंड इथरेशन, ये रिएक्शंस हमने इसमें कंप्लीट की थी। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं बेंजीन रिंग रिएक्शंस। नंबर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे बेंजीन रिंग रिएक्शन में नाइट्रेशन। Number first reaction is nitration. So dear students, nitration reaction complete करेंगे। Nitration mean phenol react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. In the presence of concentrate H2SO4, phenol react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4, and we know that electron density. We know that electron density increase on ortho and para position of phenol, and reasonable structures shows by phenol, and electron density increases on ortho and para positions. So dear students, negative shows OH and positive charge shows by NO2. So NO2 add ortho and para position because electron density highly in ortho and para positions. So ortho para product is formed, and product will be formed. H2O removed in this reaction because benzene bring all carbon atoms, add hydrogen atoms. H2O removed in this reaction, and NO2 add ortho and para positions. NO2 add ortho and para positions, and ortho and para product is formed. Orthonitrophenol or paranitrophenol is formed. And other reaction number second is phenol react with 3 molecule of nitric acid, mean excess quantity of nitric acid. This reaction is also completed in the presence of sulfuric acid, and 3 molecule removed, 3 hydrogen atom removed by phenol, ortho positions and para positions, and negative charge shows by OH, and NO2 positive shows, and ortho and para positions we know that हम देखते हैं reasonable structure में, we know that electron density increases on ortho and para positions of phenol. So NO2 positive add ortho and para positions of phenol. So dear students, 3 molecule of water removed in this reaction, 2 ortho and 1 para positions, and total 3 nitro groups add ortho and para positions, and product is formed 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Product is formed 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Picric acid is formed. Picric acid is formed in this reaction. Nitration complete. Number second reaction is nitration complete, and number second reaction is sulfonation. When phenol react with sulfuric acid, and product will be formed ortho and para, because electron density increase on ortho and para position of phenol, and OH shows negative charge and SO3H shows positive charge. So positively charged SO3H add ortho and para positions, and product will be formed ortho and para product, and product is formed SO3H positive SO3H mean ortho hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid, orthohydroxy benzene sulfonic acid and para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid, orthohydroxy benzene sulfonic acid and para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. So sulfonation complete. Number third is Friedel-Crofts reaction. Friedel-Crofts reaction. Number third reaction is Friedel-Crofts reactions. So Friedel-Crofts reactions are two types. Number first, alkylation. Alkylation mean phenol react with CH3Cl. React with CH3Cl. We know that electron density increase on ortho and para positions, and ortho and para product is formed, and HCl removed in this reaction. Because hydrogen removed in ortho and para positions, and HCl removed in this reaction, and product will be formed. Ortho and para product. Ortho hydroxytoluene and para-hydroxytoluene is formed. This reaction is completed in the presence of AlCl3, aluminum chloride. This reaction is completed in the presence of aluminum chloride. Number B, acetylation. Phenol react with acetyl chloride. This reaction also completed in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, and we know that ortho and para position electron density increase, and Cl shows negative character, negative charge, and CH3CO shows positive charge. And H positive removed of phenol and Cl negative removed acetyl chloride, and HCl removed in this reaction. COCH3 add ortho and para positions of phenol. So product is formed. Orthohydroxy, acetophenone and para-hydroxy acetophenone. Orthohydroxy acetophenone and para-hydroxy acetophenone is formed. Acetylation complete. So dear friends, nitration complete and sulfonation complete, and Friedel-Crofts reaction complete, alkylation and acetylation. Okay, and the next fourth chemical reaction is bromination. Number fourth chemical reaction, dear students, is bromination. So phenol react with bromine. Phenol react with 3 molecule of bromine water, and product will be formed. product will be formed 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol will be formed, and then phenol react with less quantity of bromine, and product will be formed ortho and para product HBr removed in this reaction. Ortho and para product will be formed. Ortho bromophenol and para bromophenol. Orthobromophenol and para-bromophenol will be formed in this reaction. Number 5 reaction is Friese rearrangement. Friese rearrangement. Number 5 reaction is Friese rearrangement. तो dear students, Friese rearrangement में हम देखते हैं phenol react with NaOH sodium hydroxide molecule and H2O removed in this reaction. H2O removed in this reaction, and product will be formed sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. And sodium phenoxide react with CO2 and H2O, CO2 carbon dioxide. सॉरी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस रिएक्शन में NaOH के साथ हम रिएक्शन नहीं करेंगे. फ्रीज रिअरेंजमेंट में रिएक्शन होती है CH3COCl के साथ. CH3COCl मीन एसिटिल क्लोराइड. HCl removed in this reaction. HCl removed in this reaction, and product will be formed OCOCH3, and then rearrangement and hydrogen shift oxygen atom, and product will be formed orthohydroxy acetophenone and parahydroxy acetophenone. This reaction name reaction and important reaction. For example, so dear students, phenol react with acetyl chloride, HCl removed in this reaction, and methyl benzoate is formed in this reaction, and rearrangement this product to convert orthohydroxy acetophenone to parahydroxy acetophenone, hydrogen shift on the ortho position to oxygen. So dear students, number 5th reaction Friese rearrangement completed, and number 6th reaction is Gartermann reaction, formyl group reactions. Number 6th reaction is formylation. Number 6th reaction is formylation. Number 6 reaction is formylation. So dear students, formylation number A part is Gartermann's reaction. Formylation मतलब first Gartermann reaction. Dear students, HCl positive HCN mean Cl shows negative character, Cn shows negative character, H positive and H positive. So Cl add positive charge and H positive add negative. So CH double bond NH aldimine chloride is formed. And then phenol react with aldimine chloride and para position of hydrogen removed in this reaction, and product will be formed. CH double bond NH mediatory product and other H2O water hydrolyze this mediator product, and two bond dissociate and NH3 molecule removed in this reaction, and product will be formed. Para hydroxy benzaldehyde. Para hydroxy benzaldehyde will be formed in this reaction. So dear friends, para hydroxy benzaldehyde का formation हो जाता है इसमें. हम देखते हैं para hydroxy benzaldehyde will be formed, and other reaction is number B part is Gattermann reaction complete. Number B part Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So dear friends, Riemann-Tiemann reaction is phenol react with CaCl3 chloroform and 3 KOH molecules and 3 KCl molecule removed in this reaction, and 2 water molecule also removed in this reaction. Total hydrogen 4, 3 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen remaining and 1 carbon remaining. So dear friends, ortho position, add 1 carbon, 1 oxygen and ortho position hydrogen and CHO, add ortho position. Product name is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde, or other name is salicylaldehyde. तो product convert salicylaldehyde. Phenol react with chloroform and 3 mole of potassium hydroxide, 3 KCl molecule removed in this reaction and 2 water molecule removed, and product will be formed 2 orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Other name is salicylaldehyde. And C part of formulation, Duff's reaction. टोटल 3 रिएक्शंस जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, गाटरमान रिएक्शन एंड रायमंड-टीमान रिएक्शन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हैं तीनों ही रिएक्शंस. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डफ रिएक्शन फिनॉल रिएक्ट विद CH2 6 and 4 main urotropine. Other name is hexamethylene tetraamine. And other H3BO3 boric acid. So dear students, product will be formed. CH double bond and CH3, and mediated product will be formed, and hydrolyze this mediated product H2O OHH water hydrolyzes and bond dissociate in this way, and product will be formed primary amine and salicylaldehyde. primary amine and salicylaldehyde will be formed in this reaction. So dear students, total 3 reactions completed. Number first, 3 reactions completed of formulation. Number first, Gartermann's reaction, HCl react with HCN and aluminium chloride is formed. Phenol react with aluminium chloride and product will be formed para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Riemann-Timmermann's reaction, phenol react with chloroform entry molecule of KOH and product will be formed salicylaldehyde. Dubb's reaction, mean phenol react with urotropine, hexamethylene, tetramine and boric acid. Mediated product will be formed and then hydrolysis of this mediated product, salicylaldehyde will be formed and primary amine also formed in this reaction. So dear students, इस टॉपिक से हम अब क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं. वो क्वेश्चंस आपको सोल्व करने हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आपसे पूछा जाएगा, टू बी कन्वर्ट phenol into para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. And other question is, question number 2 is, to be convert phenol into picric acid. To be convert phenol into picric acid. Question number 3 is, to be convert phenol into orthohydroxy acetophenone. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 3 क्वेश्चंस आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं. टू बी कन्वर्ट फिनोल इनटू पैराहाइड्रोक्सी बेंजल्डिहाइड एंड टू बी कन्वर्ट फिनोल इनटू पिक्रिक एसिड एंड टू बी कन्वर्ट फिनोल इनटू ऑर्थोहाइड्रोक्सी एसिटोफिनोन. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस टॉपिक से जो भी आज इस वीडियो में टॉपिक आपको स्टडी कराया गया है, इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड 3 क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए गए हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट, नंबर सेकंड एंड नंबर थर्ड. इन क्वेश्चंस को आपको कंप्लीट करना है और कोई भी डाउट हो तो आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करना है ताकि अगले वीडियोज़ आपके लिए उसमें सॉल्यूशंस इनके दिए जा सकें. अच्छी तरीके से आप स्टडी करते रहिए, घर पे रहिए, मस्त रहिए, सेफ रहिए और अच्छी तरीके से स्टडी कीजिए. एग्ज़ाम की दृष्टि से ये जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स आपके लिए चल रहे हैं, जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बताए जाते हैं, नोट्स में आप लिखते रहिए, नोट्स बनाइए इनके और घर पे लगातार स्टडी कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.